Hey, so I did this session the other day, the Google Drive reusing, archiving, and accessing resources. You can access this slide deck that was also shared out in the email on the bit.ly here. That's kind of the first tip in this thing. Bit.ly is great. Just go to bit.ly.com and it will turn your longer URLs into a smaller URL. In this case, it's 3T5IY3R, and the capitals do matter, so usually underneath to make it easy for students to read. I type it out as words and in gibberish is perfectly fine. 3 times 5 is your 3 reads. So you would type in bit.ly/3T5IY3R and it will come up right to this slide deck. I'm going to skip this bell ringer just for during the session. I'm just going to go straight to the where are we going, organizing drive folders, hashtags, and saving files, and making a copy in star, and then sharing files and folders. I'm going to break each of those down into a micro lesson so that you don't have to necessarily watch all the videos if you don't want all the videos. This is just the intro section, the where are we going, and then you can click next on the playlist if you're interested in seeing the next section on organizing drive, or you can skip forward to saving files, or you can skip forward to sharing files and folders.